Hi, M5937. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. I am Angelica Basilan from Tondo, Manila. I am 32 years old. I am single with live-in partner.
Your
I
religion,
I am a Roman Catholic.
highest educational attainment.
I am a high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I work as a helper for 2 years. I taking care of the children like 8, 5, and 10 years old.
Okay, and other household chores that you do.
I, I do general cleaning, ironing, washing, cooking, and wash the dishes.
Okay, and you also taking care of a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have an experience taking care of a newborn, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check if he's sick. I will check his diaper if it's full, and I will check his tummy if it's hungry.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after all have you done to the baby to make it stop? What will you do?
I will call his parents to tell that the baby doesn't stop to cry.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of the high salary and good good country.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer want me to work with
With them.
with them.
Okay, so it is okay to you to extend your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn how to cook,
And how will you learn?
to watch the YouTube and or buy some books.
Okay, like cooking books.
Yes, cooking books.
Okay, and you could also ask your mom and sir if they could teach you how to prepare, right? Or
Yes, sir.
also if they have a time to prepare food for themselves, you could also help them how do they prepare.
Yes,
By
sir.
the way, you told me already that you have experience being a sales clerk on a Chinese farm, right?
Yes, sir.
So you know how to you can understand a little
A little
Chinese.
bit, sir.
Like, do you know how to what kind of Chinese word can you understand?
Like like for example, how much this one? Chiguachia,
Ah,
like
okay.
yes.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir. I
It is
will.
okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
How about share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday
Yes,
setup?
sir. I will accept.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir. I love.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir. I
Okay, my
will.
last question is what will be your message for your future employer?
If you will hire me, I promise to be honest. Uh, I will take care of your children and family like my own family.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you also follow the rules and regulations of their house?
Yes, sir. I will follow the rules.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Angelica. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day. See you in Hong Kong.
Okay.